Hey guys, it's Shay. Welcome back to my channel where you'll see vlogs, motherhood, lifestyle, and career content. Enjoy.
If you guys want to know how I achieved this quick look in less than 2 hours for less than, how much husband hair? Less than $40. Yes, let me know, sis, because we are giving 30 inches. Okay, let's take a look. We are giving 30 inches. Yes, ma'am. We're getting jet black inches, baby. So yeah, stay tuned, keep on watching so you guys can see how I did it. Okay, y'all, I went ahead and did my edges. Let me know if y'all want a tutorial on the edges or for the hair. This is what I use. Don't really like it, but this is what we're working with today. I need to go ahead. I'm kind of rushing because if I don't, my edges will swell up. Okay, let's go. Calm down. So you go ahead and get them laid first though. How you want them. Let's see that side. Okay, move it smooth. Just move it back. Okay, and we got this side already how I want them. Just smooth it out. I need some more hair control. If it don't stick how you want to stick, add on. Because this gotta last, okay? I'm about to keep redoing the edges. So hopefully these can last for the day and tomorrow. And then I will wash it for work on Monday. Okay. Alright, so now that they're on lay, use this resume, spray them down real good. Spray them down real good. And you take your strip, yeah, strip. Your strip. Like tight, okay? Tight line. Tight line, that's how we go. Sort of way. Can't tell you that right. So tuck it in. Okay. Bam. Go to leave out. And take your hair into one curls. Bitch. My hair, weave hair, my hair, weave hair. That's the idea. Don't forget to like this video, smash that like button right now, subscribe if you haven't done so already.
subscribe, sis. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.